because they've been here quite a while, you'd think the pheromones would be all over the table, so a lot would be lingering about, but there's no messing, is there? They're all like, oh, let's go.
Oh, that's brilliant, the speed that they're going in and there.
I know. I mean,
I did tell you about that trick your man from place down the road. He squashed a queen bee on a post, so every time they swarm, they always swarm to that post.
right, yeah.
So we can go and collect them straight from there. Was it Ron Hoskins?
Yeah.
It's amazing.
You think it'd wash off, wouldn't you?
Yeah. Apparently it stays on. He said he did it about 6 years ago or thereabouts, and they just every time they go back there. Still quite a few up there. That's where they were all hidden. And now we've got to give them a bit of time to just make their way back down into the box.
Yeah, as soon as it starts getting dark, they'll all be in there.
Get my camera in your way.